this is welcome to Ends of Tech. Viewers, today I will show you how to add block in your Google Chrome browser. Viewers, this is important for us who use Google Chrome. Viewers, I go to my Google Chrome and I browse any kind of website. Viewers, when I videonews24.com browse, here's a lot of ads showing here. Viewers, this is very disturbing for me. And when I YouTube browsing, and viewers, any kind of video play, we will show ad. Look viewers, I play this video and show this ad. This is very disturbing for me. So viewers, today I will show you how to remove this ad from Google Chrome. Viewers, if this solves this problem, so at first I go to Google Chrome browser, right corner, 3-dot, click here, and then I click more tools, and then I click extension. And viewers, then I click here and click on Open Chrome Web Store. Then I type search the store AdBlock. Viewers, here's the AdBlock based ad blocker and AdBlock for YouTube. We install or add to extension in Google Chrome. So at first I add block based ad blocker at my Google Chrome and click to add to Chrome. Then click on add extension, checking for extension. Viewers, already ad blocker at my Google Chrome. Viewers, then I go back. Then I click on AdBlock for YouTube. Then I click on Add to Chrome and click on Add Extension. Checking for Add Extension. Ad blocker for YouTube has been added to Chrome successfully. So viewers, now I go to my previous website. Then I reload this. Viewers, see, here's no any kind of ad. Install after ad blocker. Then I go YouTube and reload this place and I play any kind of video. Viewers, look, when I play this video but no show any ad here. So viewers, our process is done. Viewers, if this video helped you, subscribe my channel and like and share my video. So today's no more. We'll see you next video. Thank you.